Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. It's already weeks since I talked to you last time and I promised you updates on what is happening with the shop. So here we go. By some miracle, we were able to find a place to rent for the future in this very limited market, which is around us here. But by some incredible miracle, we found a place. We are moving in and I would love to invite you in there very, very soon. We got a great help from our local friends around here. So the main move actually happened pretty smoothly. Nobody got hurt. All the stuff is in the new place and now the lift has to be installed and electrician needs to come and officially hook everything up. The shop is bigger, so probably we will be able to have even a secondary lift. And hopefully we will be able to crank it up, so we will have more volume, more videos and so on. But there is something else I need to really share with you. In that last video I shared with you that we placed in that YouTube channel art, where is that picture, we put these two buttons for possible donations. And what I want to say, I have to give a great thanks to you who really chosen to help us in this moment and you who made donations. I never asked for any in the past, so I had no idea what will happen after the video will be online. And I'm in positive surprised, I should say positive shock, how many of you showed your support and made donation. Thank you so much. I'm not computer guru or computer savvy geek which can program everything. So I wanted to have their GoFundMe, PayPal and Venmo for easiness of donations. With Venmo I didn't succeed. I didn't find that in that whole program how to put the link on that artwork on that channel. So you guys decided to donate on two platforms, GoFundMe and PayPal. And I would like to thank you personally, and this is great opportunity instead of writing comments underneath the video. The GoFundMe, by the way, the software, the program let me to send you thank you note, but I will still read your names because I want to thank you in person. I got a donation from Juan Ramirez, that was the last one. I got donation from Desiree Donet. So thank you Juan, thank you Desiree. I got a donation from Samuel Jacobs, Jake Rosner and Josh Rowland. Thank you guys so much. And that was all on the GoFundMe platform. So after I read your results from the GoFundMe, somebody might think, people don't want to support you much, It was just few people we have 120,000 subscribers. Well, don't worry. GoFundMe apparently isn't so easy to use, or people just don't want to use it because something completely different happened on the PayPal. Even yesterday on March 7th, I still got the last donation on the PayPal. It was from David Marut. Thank you, David. I really appreciate it. March 6th, John Worthington. Thank you, John. Really appreciate it. Thierry Reinhardt. Thierry Reinhardt donation. Incredible. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Andrew Madeline. Thank you, Andrew. Big deal, big deal. Such a big deal that I'm even trying to wear a nice shirt and going through them, see which one looks the best. Andrew Madeline. Thank you, Andrew. Daniel Baidonde or Baidondi. Thank you, Daniel. Daniel Doherty. Now I have to click show all. Let's see how quickly it will. How quickly it will go. All right, here we are. So Christian Crozier. Thank you so much. If I ever say your last name or first name incorrectly, please excuse me. So, Christian Navarrete. Thank you so much, March 3rd. Paul Ritchie, thank you. Big time appreciate donation from you. Michael Lompard. Thank you, Michael. Big time appreciate. Neil Fraser Smith. Thank you, Neil. Fabio Escalon. Thank you for your donation. Robert Holt. Thank you, Robert. John Paul Sarti or Sarte. Thank you so much, John, for your donation. Kenneth Whittaker. Thank you, Kenneth. Peter Corral. Thank you so much. Patrick Taylor. Thank you, Patrick. Kevin Dosti. Thank you so much. Julio Duarte. Said good luck. I hope that you find a shop that meets your needs. Thanks for the detailed videos. They really help us. Shade Tree Mechanics. Excellent. Thank you so much. Graham Pollard. Donald Sutcliffe. I apologize. Thomas Spiegelberg, right? Like a Spiegel. That's in German, I believe, for the mirror. So Spiegelberg. Berg, I believe it's mountain. So it's a mirror mountain. Thomas Spiegelberg. Ben Bradley. Ryan Navarro. Probably. Ulrich Jet. Thank you, Ulrich, and all of you guys. Eric Pesta. Daniel Herman. Ebu Epenga. Very much appreciate all of you guys. James Graves. Jonathan Weiner or Wiener, probably Weiner. I think another German name. Jean Heck. Ron Karasava. Thank you, Ron. Bernard Weir. Thank you, Bernard. Greg McRae. Craig Totten. Charles Holm. Michael Brennan. He keeps commenting all the time. I'm fully aware of him. Appreciate all of you guys. Louis Dione. Gerard Wire. Charles Robert. Then Donald Ismail. Rachel Park. Kyle Olson. Bullseye Tactical Firearms Training. That sounds like a company. Nathan Ingrafea. Scott Moons. Rob Lovell. Glenn Norman. Kevin McHugh. Thank you, Kevin. Stephen Williams. Thank you. Thomas Grennon. Gert Pender. Clayton Bodell. Alan Miller. Peter Collins. David Dominic. Tim Hurst. Ian Perkins. Paul Wegeman. Adriano Lazzivita. Mark Schmidt, Chad Schmidt, Andrew Allen. We know Andrew, big time, huh? Frank Ponte, Daniel Carell, Chris Jackson, Jonathan Groupmeyer, and Gregory Beaersto. That was already on February 28 when I posted video. He was probably the first one. So as I said, guys, I cannot read all the comments because some of you wrote a message. There was no way to click in the, not in my system here. I didn't see the way to send you a message of thank you for helping me out. You will be surprised, and I think I should share it. You will be surprised in the range of donations. I was in shock, positive shock. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it with my wife. Some of the donations were like $4. That's probably the lowest, $4.37. So I'm assuming the PayPal takes a cut from it. Oh, here we have $2. So I appreciate it. I appreciate it the same way like somebody actually gave me $200. So you can make a picture for yourself. Hopefully, I forgot to tell you, count for me how many of you donated. I appreciate it, every single of you guys. It's such a big deal. It totally helps me mentally and slightly financially to absorb the loss from this move and relax maybe for one day instead of just working 24/7, which we did in last 1 month. We worked every single day, including today, despite the fact I'm working from home. We just consumed by this move and that help, which you did. It's very, 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 very much appreciated. So I wanted to tell you in person, read your names. I appreciate it. Of course, that's even bigger responsibility for me to make perfect, great videos for you guys in the future. I hope within 1 week I will invite you in the new shop and you will see the differences. Some things are better, something will be worse, but that's fine, the life goes on. Ultimately, I want to purchase my own shop, most likely land and build one of those prefab steel buildings, something simple. We will see, that's in the future. Right now, we are moving in the new shop and I want to show it to you ASAP. So expect maybe end of this week or beginning of the next week, I will be giving you a tour of the new shop. You will see everything hooked up and we will start making those videos again. So the next video will be already in the new shop. I can't wait to show it to you. See ya!